Good day viewers, welcome to this video. I'm PVS the Tutor, your best online tutor. I have a question here that came in the 2024 GCE paper 2 mathematics. The question says the Venn diagram shows the number of elements of set P, Q and R. As you can see by the Venn diagram, we've got set Q, P and R, and you can clearly see that R is inside P. That means that R is a subset of what? Of P. To be a subset, it means it's part of another set. It's inside that set. In the questions, we have 4 questions. The first one says, find the value of x such that number of elements in P is equal to 18. So when you see n, then brackets, then the set itself, it means number of elements in that particular set. Okay, so let me just get my eraser. So moving on, ladies and gentlemen, how do we find the value of x such that number of elements in P, so the entire P here, elements is 18. All right. So all what we are going to do is that we are going to add all the elements in P, that includes set R, by the way, and let's say we equal to 18. That shouldn't be a problem, right? So let's first identify the elements found in what? In P. So we have x itself. X is part of it. Then we have got x plus 1 coming from R and 2x plus 1. So the entire part of this one is equal to 18. Then you just have to solve the equation. The issue of set is done. It's just now your algebraic knowledge. So what we do, collecting like things, we have x and 2x. This eventually will give us 4x. We've got 1 and 1, which give us 2. When 2 goes to the other side, this becomes 18 minus 2. And this will give us 4x is equal to 16. When divide throughout by 4, like that, you get your x to be equal to what? To 4. Imagine this is what they are giving you 2 marks. Isn't this nice? So for doing this, you get your marks, your 2 marks. Next is number of elements, so the elements in R complement. So what do we mean by this? So we mean complement. What we mean by R complement is elements not in R. So we are looking for the elements not in R. So let me get back my eraser. So let's come here. Elements not in R. How do we find the elements not in R? We can only find the elements in R if we know the total elements in the universal set. And because we have the universal set here, to find the number of elements in the universal set, we say 12 plus x. Now x is 4. X plus 1, we get 5. Then 2x plus 1, we get 9, which will give you 30. So the number of elements in the entire universal set, it's 30. So if I'm looking for the elements not found, all right, in R, I'm just going to say elements not found in R. It will be equal to the number of elements in the universal set minus the number of elements in R, like that. That's all. So let us first identify the elements found in R. R is here. So elements found in R is just x plus 1. And x plus 1 is just 4 plus 1, which is 5. So here, remember that we've got what? 30 minus 5 here. So number of elements in R complement becomes what? 25. It's wonderful. Next. Number of elements in R union Q. R union Q. R is here and Q is this part here. The entire part. As you can see, Q is covering everything, the whole circle. Now the whole circle for Q is having 12 and x. So 12 plus x plus 1. So 3. By saying number of elements in R union Q. Okay. What this means is we are combining elements in what? Q plus elements in what? In R. So the elements in Q, we are saying it's here. 12 plus x. Now 12 plus x is just 12 plus 4, which will give us 16. And number of elements in R is 5. So here we end up getting what? 21 as number of R union what? Q. The next one is number of elements in P intersect Q complement. Okay. So same thing, the same procedure that we did here. We are going to write this as the number of elements in P intersect Q complement is just equal to number of elements in the inversor minus number of elements in P intersect what? Q without a complement. Just like that. And you'll be fine. Okay? Be fantastic. Here we said it was 30 minus number of elements in P intersect Q. Where is P intersect Q? P intersect Q is this guy here, which is what? 4. So we will say minus 4, which gives us what? 26. That's all. That's the answer. So thank you so much. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. Follow me on TikTok and Facebook. Also start your online classes with me. I'm going to make you the best mathematics student you can be.